Hi, friends.
Hi, teachers.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm fine, thank you.
Hold on 1 second. I gotta get my phone. Hello. Hi. Hi. Let me see. Hi. Can you log out for now? Okay. Rosa, right? Okay. Yeah, she logged out. Okay. So
do I have to log out and log back in? Oh, I'm the host now. Okay. How do I get this not to be? There we go. All right. Hi, guys.
Hi.
there we go. All fixed. So did you guys make questions for Pete the cat?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. We're going to read Pete the cat. And when you have a question, you raise your hand. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Sounds good? Let me pull it up. All right, so everyone is going to read 1 page. Sound good?
Yes.
Okay. You ready, Cindy?
Hiccup. Oh no. Pete has the hiccup.
Very good. Sarah?
Hiccup. Hiccup. How do you stop the hiccups?
Fantastic. Do we have any questions for this one? Yes, Cindy?
What's the ball's color?
What is the color of the ball? Angela? I'm sorry, Lily or Sarah? What color is the ball?
It's a blue and white.
Fantastic. Lily, what color is the ball?
It's blue and white.
Good job. Fantastic. That was a good question, Cindy. Any other questions? No? Let's keep going. Lily.
Pete asks Grumpy Toad, how do I stop my hiccups?
Good job. Cindy.
I know, says Grumpy Toad. You stand on 1 foot.
Good job. Are there any questions for this page? Go ahead, Cindy.
What's in Peter's hand?
What is in Peter's hand? Lily, what is in Pete's hand?
It's bear.
A bear. Very good. Sarah.
It's a teddy bear.
A teddy bear. Fantastic. Good job. Lily or Sarah, do you have any questions?
Yes.
Go ahead. Go ahead, Lily.
What's the Grumpy Toad?
What color is the grumpy toad?
It's green.
He is
White.
green. Good job. Cindy, what color is the grumpy toad?
is green.
Wonderful. Any other questions? Not for this. Okay, go ahead, Sarah.
What's the peach colors?
What are Pete's colors?
Yes.
Cindy or Lily, do you know? Go ahead, Lily.
Is blue and yellow and white and black.
Good job. Hi, Angela. I just saw you. Do you have any questions for this page? That's okay. Let's keep going. Angela, read with me.
One vote.
Good job. Hiccup. Sarah.
Peach still has the hiccups.
Very good. Who has a question for this page? Not for this page? Okay, let's keep going. Lily.
Pete asks Kelly,
Good.
how do I stop my hiccups?
Very good. Cindy.
I know, says Kelly. You stand on one foot and hop up and down.
Very good. Do we have any questions over here? Go ahead, Cindy.
What color is Kelly?
What color is Callie? Angela, Sarah, or Lily?
Is pink, white, black, blue, black, white, and black.
Fantastic. Miss Michelle has a question. Can I ask my question? What is in the basket? What is in the basket? Go ahead, Cindy.
2 breads, an orange, and an apple.
Very good. Do you like to eat bread?
Yes.
Yes. Do you like to eat oranges?
Yes.
Yes. What kind of food is an orange and an apple? Is it a vegetable?
No.
No. What is it?
It's fruit.
A fruit. Very good. I like to eat fruit. Angela, do you like to eat fruit?
Yes.
Yes. All right, let's keep going. Angela, read with me.
Peter does one boat. He hops up and down.
Very good. Lily.
Hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups.
Very good. Do we have any questions on this page? Go ahead. Cindy.
What's Kelly's hand?
What's in Callie's hand? Angela, do you know? What's in Callie's hand?
Yes.
What is it? Sarah, what is it?
It's a teddy bear.
A teddy bear. Very good. What happened to Pete? Did he fall over?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Pete fell over. Good job. All right, Sarah.
Pete asks Gus, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Gus.
Good job, Cindy.
You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song.
Very good. Any questions on this page? Go ahead, Cindy.
What animal is the Gus?
What animal is Gus? Lily, do you know? What animal? Sarah, do you know?
No.
No. He's a funny looking animal. I think he is a duck.
Yeah.
Does he look? He looks a little bit like a duck.
Yes.
Yes. Gus is a duck. Angela, do you have any questions? Not yet? What
Yes.
instrument is Gus playing? He is playing the drums. Gus
Yes.
is playing the drums.
Is playing the drum.
Very good. And what instrument is Pete playing?
Is a guitar.
It is a guitar. Very good. Sarah, Pete is playing the guitar.
Pete says playing in guitar.
The guitar.
The guitar.
Good job. Pete is playing the guitar. Very good. Okay, let's keep going. Lily.
Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. He sings a song.
Very good. Angela.
Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Peter Celine has hiccups.
Good job. Are there questions on this page? Go ahead, Cindy.
What's in the teddy bear's hands?
What's in the teddy bear's hands? Do you remember what Gus was playing? Angela, do you remember what Gus was playing?
A drum.
The drums. Fantastic. The teddy bear is playing the drums. Lily, do you have any questions? Go ahead, Sarah.
What's color in teddy bear?
What color is the teddy bear? Angela, what color is the teddy bear?
It's a brown.
It's brown. Fantastic. Lily, what do you think? No questions here?
No.
Okay. Sarah, let's read.
Pete asks Bob, how do I stop my hiccups?
Good job. Cindy.
I know, says Bob.
Very good. Any questions for this page? Go ahead, Cindy.
What's the weather like?
What is the water like? Can we describe the water?
Yes.
So let's use words to describe the water. Like, what color is it?
It's blue.
It's blue. Very good. And is it flat or wavy?
It's hot.
It's hot. Very good. We're at the beach, right?
Yeah.
Pete is at the beach and there is sand. Very good. Do you think the water is hot or cold?
It's blue.
Hot, right? Because the sun is shining on the water and it makes it hot. What else about the water? What are these called? Those are waves. Waves. Very good. Whoops. Anything else? What animal is this? Maybe a crab? Is that a crab? It's a funny looking crab. He's a silly looking crab.
Yes.
Okay, Lily.
You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song and rub your belly, says Bob.
Very good. Angela.
What does it?
Pete does it. Very good. Any questions for this page? Not for this one? I have a question. Can we all rub our bellies? Do you think that will stop the hiccups? No. That's so silly.
It's
Sarah.
hiccup. Nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups.
Very good. Cindy.
Go ask Mom, says Bob.
Very good. Any questions for this page? Go ahead, Cindy.
What the color is Bob?
What color is Bob? Angela, do you know what color he is?
It's white, black, green.
Very good. And do we know what this is right here? That is a surfboard.
A surfboard.
Surfboard. Very good. And Pete fell off. He fell down again off his surfboard. Angela.
Ask Mom, how do I stop my hiccups? I know that, Mom.
Very good. Lily.
You
Take.
take a deep breath. Pete takes a deep breath.
Very good. Can we all take a deep breath? Go. Good job. Who has questions about this page? Go ahead, Cindy.
What color is Mom?
What color is Mom? Lily, what color is Mom?
Is brown,
And the pink and the blue.
white.
Very good.
Black.
Great. Sarah, what was your question?
What color in Pete's eyes?
What color is Pete?
Eyes.
Eyes. What color are Pete's eyes?
It's yellow.
Yellow. Very good. What color is Pete's outfit? What color are his clothes?
It's orange. Orange.
Orange. Fantastic. Okay. Any more questions? Let's keep going. Cindy.
Hold your
Breath.
breath
Good.
and blow it out, says Mom.
Good job. Sarah.
Pete helps his breath.
Very good. Can we all hold our breath? Go. And then let's blow it out. Good job, guys. Do we have questions for this page? Go ahead, Cindy.
What the color is the floor?
What color is the floor? Angela, do you know? Sarah, do you know?
It's green.
It's green. Very good. It is green. Lily.
Pete blows.
Blows.
Pete blows his bad one
Out.
out.
Very good. Lily.
It is
That's it.
That's it. Pete asks. That's it, says Mom.
Very good. Any questions for this one? Yes, Sarah.
What color is Mom clothes was a color?
Say that one more time. I didn't hear you. Say it again.
What color in Mom clothes?
What color are Mom's clothes?
It's pink and blue.
Pink and blue. Very good. Angela, what is on Mom's skirt?
is blue.
It's
and,
blue
yellow.
and yellow. Very good. Go ahead, Cindy.
What's behind the mom?
What is behind mom? What is this? Sarah, do you know?
Is cup.
There's maybe a bowl,
A bowl.
a bowl, and a jar. A jar.
A jar.
Very good.
Oh, and a jar.
Very good. Sarah,
He wets. And he wets.
Cindy.
And he wets.
Very good. Go ahead, Cindy.
What's the clock?
What time is it?
Yes.
What time is it on the clock?
Is 3 o'clock.
Fantastic, Sarah. Great job. It is 3 o'clock. Angela, finish us off.
The hiccups are
Gone.
Mom gone. Moms are so
Smart.
smart.
Very good. Any questions for our last page?
Smart.
What is Pete feeling? Does he feel sad?
Is happy.
Happy. Pete is happy. His hiccups are gone. Great job today, guys. That was so awesome. You guys did wonderful. Should we do it again next week?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
I like asking questions. I like when you ask questions. Good job, guys. I will see you soon.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.